Do you want to add camera blur to your photos? Head over to Filter and click on Camera Raw Filter. Expand the lens blur option and click on Apply. Adjust this handle here to change what you want in focus. If you want to add or remove something into focus, open the Refinement menu and click on Blur. To make it easier, click on Visualize Depth and just paint over the area you want out of focus. This is how to create a page turn in After Effects. Make sure you have at least 2 photos in your timeline. Drag the page turn effect to your top image. Now drag this point to where you want your page to start. If you want to move where your page turns, choose one of these starting positions in the Controls menu. Click the stopwatch button for the position. Now move your playhead to where you want the page turn to finish. And now move this point to your ending position. Make sure to turn the back opacity to 100%. And if you want to change the back page image, you can either change it to another image or choose none.